So here we are in above the middle of nowhere, I should say at this point. This is one of the Alaskan glaciers. Can't remember the name of it. I'll try and look it up later. No promises. But we did find more snow. Lots of it. And someone's building a cabin right down there. Or something. It's going to be one hell of a daily commute, let me tell you. Very happy we found snow. Now, do you see this like little movement right there? That's the road we came in on, and we'll have to go back out of. Like and subscribe for more Alaskan adventures.